In this video, we'll walk through how to create and manage bills against approved purchase orders. The Bills module helps you create bills from approved POs, track their payment status, and record full or partial payments against each line item. Before creating a bill, make sure the related purchase order has already been approved. Only approved purchase orders will appear in the Bills module. To begin, go to the Bills module from the main navigation, then open the Approved PO tab. Here you'll see all approved purchase orders that are ready for billing. Find the purchase order you want to bill against and click Create Bill. This will open the bill creation form. The project name will be automatically filled from the selected purchase order, and this field cannot be changed. The PO title with code will also be pre-filled in red only. Next, enter the bill name. Use a clear name that helps your team identify what the bill is for. Then add a description if you want to include any extra notes or details about the bill. Select the invoice date. You can also upload a supporting file such as an invoice document. If payment details are already available, you can add the date paid, receipt date, and upload the receipt document. Next, you can set the bill due date using the schedule item settings. Select the relevant schedule item from the drop-down, then enter the remainder days. After that, choose whether the due date should fall before or after the selected schedule item date. Once these three fields are completed, Build4Cast will automatically calculate and populate the due date. You do not need to enter the due date manually. If you want to enter the due date, yes, you can. If the bill includes a cost variance, you can enable Mark as variance. If there is no variance, you can leave this option unchecked and continue. Below the bill details, you'll see the line items from the approved purchase order. These line items are automatically carried over from the PO. Each line item includes details such as subcost code, title, quantity, unit, cost type, and unit cost. You cannot manually add or remove line items in the bill form. This keeps the bill connected to the approved purchase order and helps avoid mistakes. Next, review the Pay To section. This section shows the partner or vendor details linked to the purchase order. It includes the partner company name, contact person, email address, and phone number. These details are automatically pulled from the partner record and are shown for reference. Once the bill details are ready, you have two options. You can click Save and Close, or you can click Make Ready for Payment. If you click Save and Close, the bill will be saved as a draft. The bill will appear in the Bills tab with draft status. You can return to it later, make changes, and continue working on it. If the bill has been reviewed and is ready to be paid, click Make Ready for Payment. This changes the bill status from draft to ready for payment. At this stage, the bill is approved internally and ready for payment to be recorded. If no payment has been recorded yet, you can still move the bill back to draft by clicking Revert Not Ready. But once a payment has been recorded, you cannot revert the bill back to draft. So make sure all bill details are correct before recording any payment. To record a payment, open the bill and click Record Payment. A payment panel will open within the bill view. This panel shows all line items from the bill. Each line item includes the subcost code and title, quantity, unit cost, percentage, and bill amount. By default, the percentage is set to 100%. This means the full amount is ready to be paid. If you want to record a partial payment, you can change the percentage. For example, if you enter 50%, the bill amount will automatically update to half of the total amount. The remaining amount will also update in real time. You can set different payment percentages for different line items. This is useful when you want to pay part of a bill now and the remaining balance later. Once the payment details are correct, click Save. The payment will be recorded and added to the bill's payment history. If the bill has not been fully paid, the status will change to partially paid. You can return later and record the remaining payment. Once all line items are fully paid, the bill status changes to paid. At this point, the bill is fully closed. There are four main bill statuses in Build4Cast. Draft means the bill has been created but is not yet ready for payment. Ready for payment means the bill has been approved internally and payment can now be recorded. Partially paid means one or more payments have been recorded, but there is still an outstanding balance. Paid means the full bill amount has been paid and there is no remaining balance. With Build4Cast, you can manage approved purchase orders, create bills, track payment readiness, record partial payment,